Hello and welcome or welcome back. This is Lori with Giggle Girl Arts. Thank you for checking out my video today. This video I'm going to be sharing a project for a fall collaboration by DearJulieJulie and Cara Brandon Creations. This collaboration is for celebrating fall. And in addition to this just being a collaboration, there is also a challenge element. The challenge is to create 5 daily projects over the course of 5 weeks. So there will be once a week for 5 days. And these will be done using the collaboration kit. The kits are each by Cara and DearJulieJulie, and you pair up 5 pages. So for day 1, you would use one of the designated day 1 pages by DearJulieJulie and then the page by Cara Brandon, and create something of your choice. And part of the challenge of it is to put together elements from each of the pages. So you would use day 1 from Julie, day 1 from Cara, and then you would come up with your project. In addition to this, you can use anything else that you want. So I'm going to be working on a junk journal, and then one of the things we'll be using to share everything so that you can see everything put together is hashtag J&C Fall 22. There's no spaces, of course. And then you can see everyone who's participating in the collaboration / challenge all in one place and get inspiration from other artisans and make your own projects. So once again, that hashtag is J&C Fall 22. Now, everyone who decides to participate in the challenge will post their projects in Facebook groups by both Cara and Julie. And then they're going to have a sort of prize that will include a free gratitude journal kit from Julie, DearJulieJulie, and a free gratitude tag kit from Cara Brandon Creations. And then, in addition to the challenge, there will be a video hop each week. So make sure to check down in the description box below all the links to find out who to hop to next. And I think it's so awesome that Julie and Cara are doing this to support us, the other artisans who are helping show what different things that you can do with these different kits. And then all we ask is that you please like and subscribe to everyone's channels and social media. Everyone that's participating is amazingly talented, and we hope that you get inspired like we are from each other's creativities. Now, if you want to join on in, you can purchase the digital kits. I'll provide links down below in the description box to Julie and Cara's Etsy stores. And like I said before, all you have to do to participate in the challenge is post pictures in the DearJulieJulie Facebook group and the Cara Brandon and Friends Facebook group. And I'll make sure to put those links down below. So I've been showing the pictures. I've been showing what the kits look like. All right, and now I will show you the project that I came up with for day 1. And if you don't remember what day 1 looks like, here they are. All right, the first thing I did is I ripped out a calendar page from a calendar, and it looks like it's from the Nature Conservancy. and it has some really beautiful illustrations and photographs. And I took the 2 long, Julie calls them tags, off of her sheet, and I folded the calendar page in half, and then I took these 2 tags and left them connected, and then this flips over onto this side, so it'll go in the journal this way. And then this is actually a tuck spot, or a border tuck, and I made something to go inside of that using from Julie's page. I used this Woodland Sounds music sheet, and then I took Cara's moth and I added it on here with some book page and a teeny tiny little strip that was cut off of the top of the calendar, or the bottom, whatever, and then I adhered it with to the scrapbook paper, and I inked the edges. And then on the back side, I left it blank and I just inked around the edges. And so this I thought would be really cute because it's got this deer right here. And, you know, a lot of times in fall themed items we see deer. And then that will slide right, whoops, right in here. Well, I guess I need to glue some stuff down a little better. All right, then I took a piece of book page down here, and I used this part from Cara's page and this one from Julie's. And I did a little bit of stamping, and I made another tuck spot. There's a few pieces I didn't use yet. And so one thing with the challenge is to use up all the pieces by the end of the challenge. I have a few ideas of what I want to do with these, but those will come in later with some of the other days. And until then, they'll just sit here in this little tuck spot. So then if you imagine this is in your journal, and you'll turn the page, and then this side of those 2 pieces that were together, I decorated with, so this was from Julie's, this and this were from Cara's. Then this is the tiny little image of mushrooms on Julie's, and I turned it into a postage stamp, and I canceled the stamp with this kind of stamp. So it's a stamp with a stamp on it. And then there's a little bit of book page under there. I used a little corner of the piece over here, down in this corner. And then this is what I learned how to make from Julie. I'm following her and Cara. I found her through Julie, but I've been following Julie for at least 2 years now, I'm thinking. So she calls this a flip-flop flap. And so what happens is when you open it, it flips and you have these floppy parts. And then what this will do is, because there's not a lot of writing space on this page, then it will fill in and give you more writing space here. And then that is the end of day 1. So if you made it all the way through the video, make sure that you left a like and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content. Make sure that you check out everyone else in the hop down below. Go to the next person and you can just follow it on through that way. We have a lot of fun collaborators that are participating, and everyone's art is just a little different. And once again, if you would like to join us, there's plenty of time. Oh, and here is what the schedule will be. So like I said, over 5 weeks, you'll be doing, if you choose to participate, you'll be doing 1 page that are, you know, made together by Julie and Cara. So you'll take Cara's day 1 and Julie's day 1, and you'll make a project. Then the following week, so we're using days, but you know, it's actually done each week. So then everyone participating in the hop will publish their first one for day / week 1 on 9/21, September 21st. And what was I getting ready to say? Oh yeah, they're on Wednesdays, so each Wednesday they'll be coming out. So week 1 is September 21st, week 2 is September 28th, week 3 is October 3rd, week 4 is October 12th, and week 5 is October 19th. And then at the end, we'll have a flip through on October 26th. And you can see the finished projects, hopefully, of everyone on those days. So once again, make sure you give me a like and subscribe, hit the little bell. And an awesome thing that you could do is, you know, leave a comment. Just say hi, or tell me if you're gonna participate, or, you know, tell me, you know, what, if there's something, you know, that struck you as, you know, liking it, or, you know, whatever. Also, don't forget to go and watch the next person in the hop, and I will see you next week. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.